Hi everybody, this is Kyle Barkfield with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. We're going to take a look at the new 2023 G23 from Nautique. This one is spec'd out with the emerald green metal flake with titanium gray accent in the hull bottom and a little bit of onyx black accents. This boat is equipped with a 6.2 liter PCM 450 horse motor. It has Nautique steering assist, Nautique surf system, and the surf pipe. It's got a beautiful white, green, and black and gray color scheme. We did the mocha brown sea deck on the interior. This boat has the automated tower, so it goes up and down with the push of a button. It is an amazing boat. For more information and a demo ride, come see us at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks.